If your Chevy Malibu backup camera is showing a clear image but the guidance lines have disappeared, we can fix that in minutes. In the vast majority of cases, this isn't a hardware failure but a simple setting that got toggled off in the infotainment system. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify why those lines aren't showing up on your screen. Start by checking the MyLink software menu to ensure the guidance lines option didn't accidentally get switched to off. If the settings are correct but the lines are still missing, your MyLink system might be experiencing a minor software glitch. Physical issues like loose wiring in the trunk or a blown fuse can also cause specific camera features to fail. Most owners can solve this with a simple reset, but a persistent blank screen might require a hardware replacement. While a software fix is free, replacing the camera yourself costs around $85 compared to much more at a shop. A hard battery reset can force the camera module to recalibrate and bring the guidance lines back into view. Keep these basic tools handy to safely inspect the electrical connections without damaging your Malibu's interior trim. Remember, if the video feed itself is fine, the hardware is likely okay, and the issue is just data communication. Hopefully that toggle or reset got your lines back. Drive safe, and we will see you in the next fix.